Hello friends, my name is Saurav Dubey and today I'm going to show you how to design your login form. Right, so we are going to use here some CSS, so which is define your style tag for using CSS. Right, so simple style tag open and close between your head tag. Right, and here just use body and just curly bracket start and close. And just simple here define background color for your body. So background color is something, and here now we are going to use uh, some table for creating the login form. So here we have to use first form tag, right? Uh, so we just use form and form and close this tag, right? Simple. So that one is our form tag, and here we use table, right? So just open table tag and close table tag, and here we are going to use table heading, right? Simple, and just type here login, right? Login page and define and login again, right? And here we are going to use table row and table data, and right here input type is text, right? And just close this tag. Just copy and paste with your code and here, and just remove the text, and here you can use password input text, right? And here we're going to use placeholder, and simple you can use placeholder like uh, what you want to uh, why you want to use this text box. So I'm going to use this text box for username, getting the username. So just type here with the username, and here is your password, right? Now I'm going to save this and just go to your web page and refresh it. You can see here login page, username and password. It's not look like very good, so we are going to create this awesome, right? So we have to use some CSS, right? So now we are going to use here table CSS, and you can use here table border is something right, and just save it. You can see here nothing. Start to that. Okay, border, and border color is something. I'm going to use white. Just refresh it. And here's the problem with because border is something like the border style is 5 pm. Is the problem with it? Okay, so I'm not going to use anything. So just using the border, and here you can use simple 4 5 whatever you want, and this is that. You can see here our border in our login page, right? So if I want to use use this form in the center of my body, so I'm going to use here some CSS. So just right click on fact element in a web page, and just select this one and go to here, select your whole this table, right, form. So just select your table, and here you can see your border color. So just type something like margin, say something top, and you can see 20 here. Not okay, 220 is good, and margin left is something 200 or maybe 500 or 600, 550 and right. So here I'm going to change this color of my border, right? Table border. So I'm going to select this one. That is something like no, sure. So I'm going to use here and that this one color. It's not bad, right? So just you have to just copy and paste this content and just paste in your, let's say, here table. Right, so just paste and just simply save this file. And now you're going to refresh the web page. You can see here is our web page. I want to change this login page color, right? So simple. Where is my login page is th under th tag. I'm going to use th tag CSS. So just simple. You have to define color is white and just hit that and you can see here login page, right? So it's look like better, but I'm going to use the submit button also. So simple, you have to define first tr tag and here is td tag and here to define input type is submit, right? And just close this tag and just save it. And you can see here where is my submit file, right? And now I'm going to use here. If I want to use this button in center, so how can I do this thing? So just inspect your element and see here is something like this one. This one is my input ed, right? And if I want to use here some css, right? So I have to use right here some submit btn and open curly bracket and close, and here just simple margin left is 20 here and use this class is your summit class and class name is summit here, and you will go to your webpage and refresh this, right? So I'm going to use this and use this, right? So why it's not actually it's not working because of this problem with this, because we have to use something more, like I'm going to use like margin top 20 here and it's not working, right? So let it be go. Actually I have created some login page, so I'll just show you how to create some awesome web page. So I will show you and just open this my web page that I already created. Okay, so that one is login and registration form page. So you can see here is login, and whenever you click on registration, you can see here that one is my registration page, right? So that one is the code of this page. That one is CSS, JS file, and SES. This all code you can download this code from description here, and you can use this code freely. There is no any copyright thing, right? So thank you so much for watching this video. If I have any doubt, you can ask me, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.